France is the largest country in the EU. French was the official language of England for about 300 years. In 2016, France was the first country in the world to ban supermarkets from throwing away food. France legalized same-sex marriage in 2013. France has more Nobel Prize winners in literature than any other country. Europe's highest mountain is Mont Blanc in the French Alps. In France, you can marry a dead person. The world's first artificial heart transplant and face transplant both took place in France. The Paris Louvre is the most visited museum in the world. The world's greatest cycle race, the Tour de France, is more than 100 years old. The camera phone was invented in France. There are over 400 kinds of cheese made in France.